You are listening to Chapter 1 Lesson 5 of Form 3 Cameroon History. Cameroon General Education. Narrated by Wacheseh Academy. The Berlin West African Conference and its effects on Cameroon. Participants at the conference. It was summoned by Otto von Bismarck, the German Chancellor, and Jules Ferry, the French Prime Minister. It was attended by European nations that had an interest in Africa. Nations that attended the conference were Germany, France, Britain, Portugal, Spain, and Belgium. The United States of America and the Ottoman Empire also sent delegates to the conference. Switzerland was absent. No African country was invited to the conference, even though it was to decide the fate of Africa. Reasons for the conference. It was called to reduce the tension that existed between European powers during the scramble. Laying conditions for navigation in Africa rivers. Laid down rules for the acquisition of African territories. The policy of effective occupation. Resolutions of the conference. Any powers claiming victory over territories in Africa should immediately inform other powers. They should be freedom of trade and navigation among European powers. They should be effective occupation. Effects of the Berlin Conference on Cameroon. The British were forced to recognize Germany as the colonial master of Cameroon. It paved a way for the surrender of territories held in Cameroon to the Germans. It made the French surrender the southern coast of Cameroon to the Germans. It paved a way for the demarcation of Cameroon's international boundaries with the neighboring British and French colonies. The Germans promoted the benefits of their civilization amongst the natives, such as modern medicine, better clothes, housing, educational facilities, etc. It enabled the Germans to intensify the complete suppression of slavery and the slave trade.